In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make up to $1,000 with crypto business without actually trading. It sounds crazy, right? I'm going to show you exactly what you should be doing to make $1,000 from cryptocurrency business without even trading. So if you're somebody who doesn't really know how to trade, but you want to make money from trading business, then watch this video to the end, because in this video, that's what I'm going to show you. If this is your first time of coming onto my channel, you're welcome. My name is Awajimam Isyoto. On this channel, I teach you how to do stuffs online, and I show you things that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So before I get in, kindly support me by liking this video and subscribing, and make sure to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss whenever I share interesting content like this. So to do that, I'm going to take you to a site where you can actually start making money from crypto business without trading. So to do that, we are going to go straight to my Google Chrome, and I'm going to open the site where we are going to do that. Okay, so the name of the site actually is called Stay Cut. Okay, the name of the site is called Stay Cut. Okay, so one of the ways for you to actually make money from crypto business without actually trading is to go to a site called Stay Cut, and you come here and let's log in. And once we log in, we come to this place, the marketplace. All right, scroll here. Now you're going to make sure to sign up, because you need to sign up to be able to have access to this. So you're going to come to this place that says marketplace. You click on it, and then once you click on it, you come to this search area and search for CPK. Okay, CPK, and then you search. All right, let's hope we find what we're looking for. So we're going to scroll down, and okay, it's not coming up, so let's go again. Let's just type crypto. Okay, since we cannot find, let's just type crypto, and we are not finding it. We're not finding it. Okay, crypto, let's just say crypto profits. All right, let's go again. So follow me, guys. Good, beautiful. Look at what we are looking for. So for you to be able to actually make money from crypto business without actually trading, you can be selling the crypto course or the crypto program to people who are interested in crypto. So how do you actually do this? You come to this place and you type crypto profit kits. All right, so crypto profit kits actually is a program for people who want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency. So you are not actually trading, but you are selling the solution of trading to people who are interested in trading. So what do you now do? You have to come here and click on the promote button. Once you click on promote button, you're going to be seeing more details about the product. So you can come here to this place. You can see here, you are seeing the button that says JV page. That is a page where you can get the materials that you can use to promote the product. And then you can see payments page, which is where if the person is very interested in it and the person has the money, you can click on the payments page and take the link, send it to the person, so that the person just pays directly. But if you want the person to read, to really understand what they want to get in the program before they make payments, then you're going to be clicking on the sales page. Are you seeing this now? So I'll click on the sales page so that you can see what is expected. Okay, so this is what they are going to be seeing. The sales page is what they are going to be seeing when you send what we call the affiliate link to them. You can see now. So you can see this is everything they are going to be seeing. So by the time the person comes here and reads all this, go through this to the finishing and finishes this, and the person is really interested, they are going to make payments. Are you getting now? They will make payments through the button. Let's see. Let's just scroll. There's a button here, so you can see all the details about everything they are going to be getting in the crypto profit program. Are you seeing now? So different screenshots, different testimonials and all of that. So once they keep scrolling, they will have to look for the pay button. So these are the offers, these are the things they are going to be getting. Can you see? Fundamental analysis 101, session 2, like that, and all the offers they are going to be getting. So at the end of the day, once you can see now, these are the offers. So once they get here and they click on order now, they will make payment, and once they make payment, you're going to be getting a certain commission from these sales. Now this is 200,000 naira, right? This is 200,000 naira. Okay, access now for only 200,000 naira. Now how much are you going to get as a commission if you promote this product? Let's check it out. So we are going to go back. All right, we're going to go back, and now we are back to the details page. Okay, so the commission here is 50% commission. So if the commission is 50% and you sell the product for 200,000, that means automatically you are getting 100k in your account as your commission for promoting these products. Can you see now? So with this method, you don't have to trade. Okay, if you're a beginner, with this method you don't have to trade. You just make some money by promoting these products. Now how do you actually make your $1,000? How do you make your $1,000? To make your $1,000, you have to sell this at least to 10 persons. Are you getting this now? You have to sell this to 10 persons. If you make a sale for 10 persons, if you promote this to 10 persons and you get your 10 sales, automatically you have made $1 million naira. Okay, you have made $1 million naira. And the good part is when you make the money, you can reinvest part of it to get more people to see this. And if you do it properly and you get more than 10 sales, you can get some good amount of money above $1 million naira. Can you see this now? So this is how exactly you can actually make money from crypto business without actually trading. I know that you have gotten value from this video. If you got value from this video, kindly like this video. Make sure to turn on your notification bell, and I'm going to see you in my next video. If you have questions for me, drop the questions for me. If you want to be part of those to learn how this crypto business works, just go to the link in the description. I'll drop the link to this page so that you can access it more and see how you can get access. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.